Alex was just 22 when he decided to start his own YouTube channel. He didn't have a fancy camera, expensive lights, or a professional microphone. All he had was an old laptop, his phone, and a dream to inspire people with true stories. His first video took him almost 3 days to prepare. He wrote the script, recorded in his tiny bedroom, edited with free software, and finally pressed publish. The next morning, he opened YouTube with excitement. Only 12 views. Most of them were from his little brother and a few friends. Alex felt crushed. He had imagined thousands of people watching his story, leaving comments, feeling inspired. But reality was harsh. His classmates laughed when he told them, "Talking to a camera, nobody cares. Do something real with your life." Alex almost quit. He sat alone in his room, staring at the screen, feeling like all his effort was wasted. But then, deep inside, a small voice whispered, "Don't stop. Keep going, one step at a time." That whisper became his guide. Alex made a rule for himself: one video every single week, no matter what. At first, it seemed pointless. The views stayed low. Some weeks he poured his heart into a video, and only 20 people watched it. It was discouraging, yes, but he remembered his promise. Slowly, things started to change. He learned to make thumbnails that caught attention. His voice became clearer and more confident. Editing got smoother, transitions sharper, and storytelling stronger. By the 4th month, people began noticing. Hundreds of views started appearing, and comments came in. "This really helped me today." Please don't stop. Your story is amazing. Those small messages were fuel for Alex. They reminded him that even small sparks can start a fire if you keep feeding them. It wasn't easy. Some nights, Alex stayed up until 3 or 4 a.m., fixing mistakes, re-recording, editing again. He sacrificed weekends, skipped parties, and turned down outings. Doubts crept in constantly. Is anyone really watching? Does this even matter? But each time he remembered his rule, one video every week. That promise became his anchor, something steady to hold on to when everything felt shaky. 6 months in, Alex had uploaded 28 videos. His subscriber count was only 2,500. Not much compared to famous creators, but it was proof. Proof that people were listening, proof that effort mattered. Then one evening, a video he almost didn't post because it seemed too simple suddenly went viral. Within days, it reached 150,000 views, and his subscribers jumped by tens of thousands. For the first time, strangers from all over the world were appreciating his work. It felt surreal, like a dream. Alex couldn't believe his eyes. But he understood something important. Luck only finds you if you are consistent. If he hadn't posted week after week, there would have been nothing for luck to find. Soon, YouTube approved his channel for monetization. The first paycheck arrived, $1,100. Alex stared at the screen, hands trembling. This wasn't just money, it was proof. Proof that long nights, sacrifices, doubts, and quiet effort could turn dreams into reality. He showed the payment slip to his family. Their eyes shone with pride. From that day, Alex's confidence grew stronger. He realized that consistency doesn't just build skills or content. It builds identity. He was no longer a dreamer saying, "One day I'll be a YouTuber." He had become one. By the end of his first year, Alex had 120,000 subscribers. His channel was no longer a dream. It was real. People told him, "You're so lucky." And Alex smiled. He said, "Luck only knocks if you keep building doors. Consistency built mine." Alex's journey teaches a simple but powerful lesson. You don't need perfect tools. You don't need instant results. You only need to show up again and again. Keep working, keep learning, keep creating. The moment effort meets opportunity, success becomes inevitable. Words to remember from this story. Anchor, something that keeps you steady, strong, and prevents you from giving up. Example, my daily routine is my anchor. It keeps me focused and calm. Surreal, something that feels unreal or dreamlike. Example, meeting my favorite actor felt surreal. Algorithm, a system that decides what content people see online. Example, YouTube's algorithm showed her video to thousands of people. Climax, the most exciting or important moment in a story. Example, the climax of the movie was when the hero finally defeated the villain. Inevitable, something that is certain to happen. Example, if you practice every day, improvement is inevitable. Remember, viewers, consistency is your secret weapon. Show up, give your best, and the world will notice. If you enjoyed this story and want more inspirational tales like Alex's, don't forget to subscribe to Moral Eco Tales and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode.